Hello friend. Today we are talking about 10 low-price crypto coins that might give 100x returns in 2025. This list is simple for beginners and based on market research. Let's start. And remember, this is not financial advice, only for information. Number 10, VeChain, VET. This coin price is very low right now. It helps big companies track products and improve supply chain transparency. And more companies using it, its demand going up and coin price will go high. Number 9, Harmony, ONE. Cheap coin with very low transaction fees. Fast and secure blockchain for apps and connecting different blockchains. More apps on Harmony means more users and higher price in future. Number 8, Chili's, CHZ. The price is still low. Let sports fans connect with their teams through voting and rewards on blockchain. With big sports partnerships can make its demand and price rise. Number 7, Gala, GALA. Very affordable price right now. Gaming and metaverse platform where players own and trade NFT game items. More games and users joining every month could boost its value. Number 6, CELO, CELO. This coin's price is low at the moment. First mobile blockchain that helps people, especially in developing countries, send and receive digital payments easily. Now more and more people start using it, the price is increasing over time. Number 5, Fetch.ai. This is currently very cheap, and combining artificial intelligence with blockchain to make automation and secure data sharing easier. As AI grows, this coin's demand and price both grow too. Number 4, Holo Hot. Low price right now. It provides decentralized hosting for web apps without using big, costly servers. And more developers using Holo, the price goes much higher. Number 3, The Graph, GRT. The price is low compared to its importance. Works with Google and popular apps for blockchain. It helps find and organize data easily. Growth of Web3 apps will likely make its demand and price increase. Number 2, Shiba Inu, SHIB. Very cheap coin. Popular meme coin with a big community and new projects. Shibarium launch and coin burning can reduce supply, increasing value. Number 1, Cardano, ADA. The price is not very high, but has a huge chance to grow. Focused on security, eco-friendliness, and scientific research. More apps and users on its smart contract platform could make its value rise fast. These are the 10 low-price cryptos with big 100x potential in 2025. Right now, these coins' price is low compared to others, a golden chance for buyers. So as demand grows, prices can jump fast in the future. Which one do you think can grow the most? Tell me in the comments. If video is helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto updates.